Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and this is where they're going to be building the Raintree commercial complex. Now work has started on this development. This entire area was full of trees and they have actually cut out the lots where the 69 warehouses will be. And you're going to see the office or the base that they set up for this operation with a lot of heavy equipment on it. So Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica and it's prime real estate. There is a lot of empty land beside Mandela Highway on both sides. And this is one of the developments that they are going to do off Mandela Highway. They're also going to do the Caymanos Special Economic Zone. And there you can see the heavy equipment that they're using to develop the site. And that's Mandela Highway at the top of the screen. And you're going to see a lot of empty land. The UDC owns this land. That's why it is so slow in being developed. If it was private entities, then it would probably move a lot quicker. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development, the Raintree Commercial Complex. Construction has officially started on the highly anticipated Raintree Commercial Complex at Ferry Pen, St. Catherine, an ambitious project set to transform the Western Gateway to Kingston into one of Jamaica's most modern business and industrial zones. The development marks a major milestone for the Urban Development Corporation and forms part of the government's broader vision to decentralize commercial growth and create jobs outside the capital. The Raintree Commercial Complex is being developed on approximately 100 acres of land within the Caymanos Estate Development Area. Strategically located near the Edward Seaga and the PJ Patterson Highway and Nelson Mandela Highway, the site offers direct connectivity to Kingston, Spanish Town, and Portmore. This location makes it ideal for logistics companies, manufacturing plants, retail centers, and corporate offices seeking easy access to ports and transportation corridors. Phase 1 of the project, now under construction, will provide 69 fully serviced lots equipped with modern infrastructure, roads, drainage systems, electricity, sewage, and potable water. The UDC has designed the complex as a turnkey solution for investors, allowing businesses to move in and begin construction without the delays of basic site preparation. The total infrastructure investment for the first phase is estimated at $3.8 billion, with private investment projected to exceed $15 billion once businesses begin building and operating on site. The groundbreaking ceremony for the complex was held in April 2025, with Prime Minister Andrew Holness emphasizing the importance of Raintree as a model for structured, well-planned commercial expansion. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So as you can see, they've started to develop the lots basically. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.